Welcome. Today, we're going to understand the 4M of manufacturing. The 4M stands for man, machine, material, and method. Let's start with man. In the context of the 4M, man refers to manpower. Skilled employees are vital for effective manufacturing. Their teamwork encourages collaboration and innovation, driving organizational goals. A strong workforce enhances quality, efficiency, and job satisfaction. Now, let's move on to machine. The equipment we use significantly impacts on our output quality and efficiency. Regular maintenance of machinery is essential for high quality and efficiency in production. It prevents costly breakdowns and reduces downtime, leading to smoother operations. Staying updated on new technologies optimizes manufacturing processes, enabling quicker production and enhancing product quality. Next, we have material. The quality of materials is vital because it directly impacts on the final product we deliver. Manage inventory effectively, minimize waste, and ensure you have the right materials on hand when needed. Prioritizing quality and sustainability can enhance the products and strengthen the reputation of the organization. Finally, let's discuss method. It's essential for you to follow clear standard operating procedures to maintain consistency and quality in your work. By adopting continuous improvement methodologies, such as Lean and Six Sigma, you can identify inefficiencies in your processes and optimize your workflows.